Razer Naga V2 HyperSpeed. So we're going to do an unboxing. So this is the box. We get a manual, a sticker. It's not chroma. Okay, and we get a battery. So we get an AA battery, and the mouse, and that's pretty much it. Let's see the mouse. So this is the Razer Naga V2 HyperSpeed. Hyperspeed meaning that when you press this button, the scroll wheel will just spin with no effort, like this. And when I press it again, it will work like a normal mouse scroll. So I'm going to do soon a review about the mouse. If you want to see it, check it out later. So this was the Razer Naga V2 HyperSpeed wireless unboxing. So thank you for watching.